Okay, so I am now reviewing my Etex City scale. Super sleek and thin, easy for storage, really lightweight. I've had it for a couple weeks now, so I felt like I should review it now that I have used it several times on my weight loss journey. So I'm going to just kind of show you how it works. Super easy. It did already come with batteries installed, and so it was already working. All I had to do was just turn it on. So just hold the button right there and let go, and it'll take a minute. Now, the one thing about this scale, some other scales don't do or can't account for, is if you place something on the scale, like a bowl or a cup or something that does weigh something that you want to weigh, like fluid ounces, or something that's maybe wet, or you don't want to place it directly on the scale, you can place the bowl or whatever you're going to measure it in first on the scale before you turn it on, and then turn it on, the bowl empty. Then turn it on, and then it'll say 0. So it accounts for that weight, that cup, that bowl, that whatever that is individually, 0. So you take it off, and then once you take it off, it should say -15, negative, whatever. Place your orange juice or place whatever it is in there, and then just start playing with it. So I did press that button again. Okay. And it has a lot of different options. A lot of the units you can exchange and change on here. It's a very sensitive scale, and I really, really like it. Super easy to clean. I've been able to manage to clean it with just some soap and water. Just rinse the top. I don't even care if it says dishwasher safe. It has batteries. I'm not going to do it. Although I have not checked to see if it actually is. I would highly doubt that it is, but I don't even look at that because it's a scale. I just don't want to even take chances on a scale that measures my food. So anyways, you can click the unit button, and it'll go from grams to ounces, milliliters. It changes all these different types. There's 4 options it'll actually use, and you can change it at any point during when you're measuring. And this little thing is almost like a secret key to weight loss, or even just keeping up with how many calories, what type of intake you are taking in through food or fluids each day. It's a great little scale. It's super inexpensive, and you just keep holding the button and it'll turn off. I just easily store it above my fridge in a cabinet. It just makes it just that much easier because it's super small and sleek. That's my hand. If you can kind of see how kind of big it is, it's not very big. But it does a really good job. It's just a food scale. So, but I definitely recommend it. I've had it for a couple weeks now. I enjoy it. I use it all of the time. It has helped me tremendously in my journey for weight loss, and as far as a non-expensive scale and a secret key to help you along with any journeys, whether you're just tracking for whatever reason, this is a scale to go with.